Hello and welcome to our video. This is our 17 plate BMW M240i. This is in mineral grey, that's the right colour, yes. So mineral grey, the whole car's been detailed, machine polished. This car has the BMW body kit on it with the black grills. And as you can see, it's got these lovely 19-inch wheels on it as well with Pirelli tyres. We've got carbon fibre wing mirror covers, and there's a carbon fibre boot spoiler as well, and the full body kit down the side of the car. Let me just pan out. There we go. And if we come in, you can see that the bodywork, the machine polishing has brought it up beautifully. No, it's not chippy at all on the front. No bird dropping stains, no dents. Really lovely shine. All the wheels are lovely. The M Performance brakes there. And if you come around to the back, you can see the back of the car also follows through with the body kit, the diffuser at the bottom. We've got the M Performance exhaust on the back with the chrome tips. Really nice. And you can see I'm not an expert on carbon fibre, but it doesn't look like this isn't a cheap copy there. It looks pretty good, and so do the wing mirror covers as well. We've got the privacy glass at the back. Let's come back out. And then Dan's going to start the car for me. You haven't heard, the M Performance exhausts, they're about £800 plus VAT, plus about another couple of £100 for the chrome tips. Obviously we're inside, we don't want to over rev the engine when it's cold, but it's got a lovely sound and burble. We just come round to, thank you Dan, the Harman Kardon sound system. Door cards all in lovely condition. So are the door seals, the leather. The creasing on the leather does show more in the camera than it is in real life to the naked eye. It's all natural, the natural thing that leather does. It can't stay taut forever. Put the seat forward. I'll just give it another little. Love the sound of this engine. You can't beat a straight 6 BMW engine. And we have speed limiter, cruise control, extended storage, auto lights, wipers, 232 miles, heated seats, business navigation. Said about the Harman Kardon, it's got the brushed aluminium with the opal trim finisher. Really lovely looking car, really good colour. Let's just grab the key there, come outside. So have a look through the advert, and please give us a call if you'd like to know more about this car. Unfortunately we didn't get all the other cars out of the showroom today because we're a bit short staffed. Everyone's being careful at the moment, as you know. Bodywork's lovely. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.